Tom, how was your English test?
It was a piece of cake.
A piece of cake? You ate cake during the test.
No, piece of cake means it was very easy.
Oh, that's a funny expression.
English has so many funny words and expressions.
That's true. And that's today's topic.
Funny words and expressions.
This will be fun.
Let's start.
Tom, English has some really funny sounding words.
It does. Have you heard the word gobsmacked?
Gobsmacked? That sounds so funny.
It does. It means very surprised.
Gobsmacked. I'm gobsmacked that this word exists.
Ha! Perfect use. What about flabbergasted?
Flabbergasted. Even funnier.
It also means very surprised. Same as gobsmacked.
So we have two funny words for the same meaning.
Yes, English loves funny words.
What about bumfuzzled?
Bumfuzzled. That means confused.
These words are hilarious.
They are. And people actually use them.
Really? In real conversations?
Yes, especially in Britain.
I love it. What other funny words do you know?
How about lollygag?
Lollygag. What does that mean?
It means to waste time or be lazy.
Stop lollygagging and do your homework.
Exactly. See, you're using it already.
These funny words are easy to remember.
That's true. Funny things stick in your memory.
Now let's talk about funny expressions.
Good idea. These are called idioms.
What's an idiom?
An idiom is a phrase that doesn't mean what the words actually say.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, it's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs. Are animals falling from the sky?
No, it just means it's raining very heavily.
That makes no sense.
I know. That's why it's funny.
Let me tell you about my student Yuki.
Please do.
Yuki heard someone say, "It's raining cats and dogs."
What did she do?
She looked out the window, very confused.
She was looking for animals.
Yes, she didn't see any cats or dogs.
Oh no. That's so funny.
When I explained it just means heavy rain, she laughed so much.
I bet she did.
She said, "English is crazy, but I love it."
That's wonderful. Now it's her favorite expression.
It is. She uses it all the time.
Let's learn more funny expressions.
Yes. What about piece of cake? You said that earlier.
Right. Piece of cake means something is very easy.
The test was a piece of cake.
Perfect. What about break a leg?
Break a leg. That sounds terrible.
It does. But it actually means good luck.
Really? Why?
Nobody knows. It's just what we say.
That's so strange.
My student Carlos had a funny experience with this.
Tell me.
Carlos learned that break a leg means good luck.
Good.
He said it to his friend before a job interview. He said break a leg.
What happened?
His friend looked worried and said, "Why? That sounds terrible."
Oh no.
Carlos had to explain, "It's actually positive."
Did his friend understand?
Eventually. But now Carlos is careful to explain idioms.
That's a good lesson.
Here's another funny one. When pigs fly.
When pigs fly? Can pigs fly?
No, that's the point. It means never or impossible.
So if someone asks, will you clean your room? You can say,
When pigs fly, meaning never.
that's hilarious. What about couch potato?
Ha! A couch potato is a lazy person who watches TV all day
Why potato?
because they sit on the couch like a potato.
Not moving, just sitting there.
Exactly. Don't be a couch potato.
These expressions are so creative.
They are. What about cool as a cucumber?
Cool as a cucumber? Why cucumber?
It means very calm and relaxed.
Even in stressful situations.
Yes, she was cool as a cucumber during the exam.
I love that.
Here's an expensive one. Costs an arm and a leg.
Costs an arm and a leg.
It means very, very expensive.
This car costs an arm and a leg.
Perfect. And once in a blue moon?
Once in a blue moon. Is the moon blue?
No, it means very rarely, almost never.
I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
Great example.
Now let's talk about compound words that make no sense.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Why is a butterfly called a butterfly?
Good question. It's not made of butter.
And it's not just butter flying around.
Exactly. It makes no sense.
What about a hot dog?
A hot dog. It's not a dog.
It's not even hot sometimes.
True. It's just a sausage in bread.
And a pineapple.
A pineapple. It's not an apple.
And it doesn't come from pine trees.
English is so confusing.
But also so fun.
What about jellyfish?
It's not made of jelly.
And it's not really a fish.
So what is it?
Just a jellyfish. We don't question it.
Ha! And a dragonfly.
It's not a dragon.
These words are ridiculous.
But that's what makes them memorable.
You're right. I'll never forget these.
That's the point. When English is funny, you remember it.
So learners shouldn't be afraid of funny words.
No, enjoy them.
Laugh at them.
Use them.
English is supposed to be fun.
Not always serious.
These expressions make you sound natural.
They make you sound like a native speaker.
Because native speakers use these all the time.
Every day.
So don't be bumfuzzled by funny English.
Ha! Great use of bumfuzzled.
Thank you. I'm not wishy-washy about using funny words.
Excellent. See how fun this is.
So fun. Learning English should make you smile.
It should make you laugh.
Let's review some of these funny expressions.
Great idea. It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Break a leg.
Break a leg.
When pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
I'm gobsmacked.
I'm gobsmacked.
That costs an arm and a leg.
That costs an arm and a leg.
Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Cool as a cucumber.
Cool as a cucumber.
Under the weather.
Under the weather.
Couch potato.
Couch potato. Great job today.
English can be so funny.
Don't be afraid to use these expressions.
Have fun with English.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Pronounce faster.